If you're interested in learning more about HFX options and joining the All for Profit team, check out the link in the description. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more.
All right, guys. So we got a lot of new people on this call again, I think. So we're gonna take it nice and slow today. If this is your first time trading, my name is Devon Sperl. Been trading since probably June. Started doing our own calls with Kyle and Jordan here. Jordan, he's got his name listed as another Devon Sperl. He might want to change that to Jordan so people know who he is. But anyway, so I'm gonna go to the broker here. And just going to give a little recap. I know we probably got a lot of people who've already traded with us before, but when we call it a trade, typically, so this is the time here. I'm going to do 4-minute trades unless I specify otherwise. So go ahead and change that to 4 minutes unless I say otherwise. And then after that, so when we call it a trade, we'll call it the last 3 digits. So if we're looking at USD CAD, I'd call it the last 3 digits. I'd say 933 for a buy or a sell. Buy is call, put is sell. And if this is your first time trading, I recommend doing very, very low risk trades because we can call out a good trade and you might hit the wrong button, might miss a rollover, or whatever the case may be. Just go low risk until you understand how the broker works. So that being said, if there's any other questions, you can drop it in the chat and we'll try and answer them. Euro odd 326 or lower for a call. I'll take 332, I guess. 4 minutes. Call was 326. If you can wait for that entry, that'd be ideal. I got 332. Did you guys see anything else right off the bat?
I was looking at UCAD before we started here. That's what I was trying to look at right when we got in, but that dumped literally right as I called it.
Yeah, kind of like USD. If you guys missed, I don't know where this is at. Yeah, it's at a good entry right now. Euro odd is you like USD JPY. That's kind of 777. I like that for a sell as well. Euro odds coming up. I'm just gonna take one trade at a time, but USD JPY. You guys like slinging multiple at a time. I like that 777 for a sell. Euro odd, all we're looking at here. Just it's clearly uptrending right now. Draw a little line. Kind of actually pretty much hits my trend line right there. And if you draw a fib, the fib tool, just from down here, the top, it just kind of matches up with my old resistance, and then it became a support, hit my trend line, and it hit the fib. So that's why I like this trade. Hopefully it continues upward. USD JPY, you up to maybe clear this trade and snag a UJ trade.
Deb, do you like GBP odd for a buy at like 0.80?
GBP odd 0.8.
Or do you even like it at the
I like 0.65 a little bit better.
0.65 better? Yeah. That was the deep one that I had.
UJ, I called out for a sell at 777. I'm not going to get in on it. I'm going to wait for my euro odd to clear. We're looking at GBP odd next for a buy. We're going to wait for this to clear. It's got a ways to go. Everybody should hopefully clear this euro odd. I'm pretty good in profits. Dan's in profits. Let's go.
And the man.
Dan the man. That dude's a beast. Shout out to him.
I feel like if you're born with the name Dan, that's just automatically your nickname. Like if your parents name you Dan, you just are born with that nickname, Dan the man.
Dan the man. Looks like I'm going to clear here.
Sir, I cleared as well.
Yes, sir. Done. All right, so GBP odd. You said you liked it at 80, 080. I personally would like to see that down at 065.
Yeah, I had a light resistance there, or light support. But I do like that 060 better.
Yeah. So you guys might want to get your pen and notepad out, potentially. So right now it's got a little bit of ways to go, but this pair can move relatively quick. 065, I think, is going to be a bomb buy on that. I might creep around, look for some other setups here, but I like the 81% payout too. 098. Somebody let me know if it bumps down there. All right, I'm going to sell UJ right now. It's at 088. USD JPY. 081. You at UK? It's 082 for a sell. Oh, I'm getting spinnies.
Yeah, I'm getting flatline on the broker too.
That's just awesome. There we go. Got her. I'll wait for GBP odd to come down as well. I don't think I went over this. When it comes to risk management, 1 to 3% of your account. I prefer more to 1 to 1.5, so we're not over leveraging. If at any point you make 4 to 8%, jump off. See you later. Made your money for the day. Move on. Come back tomorrow. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Waiting for UJ to make its move.
It's up at my moving average right now. So I see this pushing down back below 777 by the end of this candle in less than 2 minutes. It's
Absolutely.
also touching my Bollinger Band on the RSI, so I see it coming down from there.
If odd, what'd you say? I was saying if odd USD comes back up to like that 740 area, do you like that for a sell? I know it overall it's been on an uptrend, but just looking back the last hour or so.
I don't think it's going to make it back up there, to be honest.
There's a minute 45
It's
left on the
dumping
candle.
right now. All right, GBP odd. Is that dumping yet? I really like that setup if it can come down there.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of time.
Wish UJ would move a hair faster.
I got a really bad time frame on UJ.
Yeah, like I say, if I pop out of profits on this, I'm going to give it a rollover right now.
I think I figured out the view now, finally, for Zoom.
GBP odd call was 065 for a buy.
UJ just jumped out of profits.
Yeah, I rolled it. Hopefully she doesn't go too much further. What you doing, UJ? You're supposed to bust down.
We need some bust down action right now.
Marcus cleared UJ on a 1 minute trade. Nice.
I cleared one UJ. I got back in at 790. I had a bad entry on my first one, or entry timing, I should say, or a good entry timing. You could look at it either way, I guess.
When do I expire on this? Expire at 1434. So I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? Just one roll on this, considering if this closes above this line, it's probably gonna. Or this is EJ. If it closes above the point of resistance we had, it's probably gonna continue upward, don't you think?
It already did close above.
Well, I'm talking the 15-minute candle.
Oh, yeah, it definitely will. So
Might
there's
not.
zero
I
wick
don't.
rejection on this right now, though. It could push down a little bit. I wouldn't roll it more than the one time, though.
Yeah,
Yeah, it might
probably just
continue
stick
to
with the
that
one.
next level here. What we were looking at on this was, at least what I was seeing. Where's my point? Got in at, I think I got in at 082.
Yep,
So if I draw a line
call
right here, it's
was
wicking up here a couple times. And if this 15 closes above that, so I expire at 14. If this wick closes above this line, more than likely it's going to continue up. So with my entry point, if it doesn't, I expire 30 seconds before the 15-minute. I only like it for one roll because it's going to close below that line. I'll be closed in profits. So by all means, if you want to roll it over again, go ahead. I'm not going to. I just take a loss on that one. EJ just dumped. UJ should follow suit. EJ popped up. UJ did. Irwin. Well, so. UJ just broke our line of resistance. That's all it did. And that's why we have risk management market that moves to different levels. I define this as a light zone of resistance. This one's a little bit more major. I think it's working up this line instead. So I will not roll that. Where's Giot at?
GBP odd came down to 0.
Yeah, it didn't quite hit our entry
9-2.
point. She's flying away. Oh, UJ might. Maybe she's going to come down. We'll see.
I expire here in a minute, so hopefully it can move quick.
UJ can move very quick. He's coming down. I might clear it, actually. Let's go, UJ. Bust down. This is what I was talking about where I'm saying where the candle's going to close. So we go back to UJ. Look at the 15-minute candles. Closes above this line that I got drawn here. It's more than likely going to continue up on the 15. Hopefully she continues to drop. I might not make the cut. We'll see. Got about 30 seconds. Come on, baby. Bust down. Let's go.
I did not clear UJ.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to either. I only got about 5 seconds left. I don't want to watch.
I don't want to watch.
It is windy outside right now.
Lizard.
Did you guys hear that?
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. I could hear it blowing through my window.
What else we got?
You guys like EuroCAD for a sell at like 706?
Let's see. Yes,
Or
we got these Euro
710?
pairs. I like these Euros today.
Yeah, you said Euro what?
EuroCAD.
I do like it for a sell at.
Or do you like
Say
746 better? I actually like it better at 710 for a light risk trade. But if it comes up to 750, I'd like that a lot better.
We could see it wick all the way up to like 720. If you look, we've had not a single candle has made it for the duration past like 720. 725, I think, would be my entry on that one. We got some wicks, like it wicks up past it, but it drops really quick. We had one candle close above it, and the next one just right back down there. That's on the 5 minute. If we go to the 15 minute, the line would be a little bit more like that, like 740. But I think if we got it like 725, we potentially have to give it a roll if we needed.
Do you boys like GCAD if it pushes up to the like 100 area
GBP CAD.
for a sell? Even like 095?
Oh, darn. I like the 100 area, yeah. Our good friend Oddcat up to. I just missed that.
Yeah, if GCAD pushes up here just a little bit further, I'm gonna take it. We're looking for 100 on it. It's at 9. It just popped up to 98.
GCAD did?
It's at 97 right now.
Going for a sell, right?
Yep. It's at 94. There's 99. I'd take it anywhere in this area from 95 to 100, probably. I'm in at 96. There's 100.
Got 100.
It is really popping up there. There we go.
Bust
There's
down,
some
baby.
rejection off my trend line here.
Got a little momentum up. She should spin around. There we go. Bust down. There we go.
$105 is a sniper entry there.
Busting down. Oh, dude, EuroCAD came up to 725. We missed it. Did anybody grab EuroCAD? It literally came right up to my entry. Be deep in profits on that if you grabbed it.
Looks like all the CAD pairs just took a giant dump.
Yeah, that's why I say get a pen and paper and watch, because I wasn't looking and it came right up there to our point. If you'd have grabbed that, you'd be real deep right now.
There's a chance it could come back up there.
Yeah, I think GCAD could come partially back up there as well. But I like this coming down from that area. These wicks are kind of insane right now. And with that much topside rejection, I think it could come up, tap it, and then come back down.
Yeah, EuroCAD's coming back up. I'll probably it's retesting. Where do I want it at? I'll probably take 725 again for a sell. EuroCAD.
Should be some people clearing GCAD. You want me to pop over to my analysis on that one, Dev?
I think I kind of showed him on mine. Just looking at a form of resistance.
I actually have a trend line as well, like a short-term trend.
Here, go ahead.
Pop this up real quick. Then you can start sharing again. So this is the chart I marked up right before the session here. And I actually added this 103 line just as we took the trade to see where I was looking. But I have a trend line coming back from about 3 a.m. this morning, and it works its way down slowly over the course of the day. And right in here is that 95 to 100 area that I was talking about. So I had this line down at this 95 to mark it around for an entry, and none of these candles have closed above that 95. So when it came up to this 100 mark and it was recontesting my trend line, that's where we took our trade at. So it was a form of support.
Weird.
Support zone right here that it went through and broke off the trend line to start going downwards. So that's about all I got on it. I'm sure if I drew up a fib or something on it, it would look pretty decent on the fib too. Not 100%, but maybe a long-term fib. Yeah, right near the top of that red zone there. All right, I'll let Devon take the screen back here.
Clears. Let's go.
Clears all around.
Euro odd. It's got a ways to work, but 345. I'm gonna buy that. If she works down.
Oh, I was actually gonna look at a sell on Euro odd if it came up to that 450 mark. I was gonna call that. I didn't know it came up there that quick.
I think it's gonna more than likely. Well, it's not a downtrend here. We might be seeing a reversal soon. We'll flip into a downtrend. Oh yeah, I just hit that fib mark. GBP odd, I still like it about 612, or not 612, 112.
You boys like Euro NZD at 750 for a sell?
Oh, some Euro NZD. You're speaking my
If
language.
it pushes all the way up there,
Where?
sell at 750. At a pretty big line right there.
750. Like 760 better. 770. Actually, I kind of like it. Almost right where it's at.
It's at a decent
A
area.
long-term fib on it.
Yeah, it's at a decent area right now. They're right at the 618 line on the fib.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll take 724 for a sell.
That's what I was looking for.
Euro NZD at 724 for a sell. 707. 724 sell. 722. I wouldn't take anything lower than 724. I'd go 724 or higher for a sell.
If you see that GCAD is back up there, I would not take it again until it pushes up to about a 115. Then I would look at taking it again, possibly. Although it is getting pretty close to 115. It's jumping up to 108 right now.
Euro odd sell at 536. Pops up there. It's got a ways, but I'd like that. Euro NZD question. So Euro NZD 724 or higher. I would not go anything lower than 724 for a sell. I will not take 723. I will take 724 or higher.
Do you like a odd US?
Huh?
Do you like an odd USD buy at like 668?
Let me look. An odd USD buy at 664.
Did I say sell? I meant buy.
Yeah. Where's Euro NZD? 715. Looking at Euro odd too. I know there's a lot of trades here, guys, but bear with me. Euro odd 536. Euro NZD or 536 for a sell. Euro NZD 724 higher for a sell. And then Jordan, what'd you call it? Odd USD?
Yeah, like 668 for a buy.
And GCAD Roman, I'm not selling at the point it is at right now. We've seen it wick reject off of that twice. We're looking for 115 now for a sell on GCAD.
Odd USD, it just hit 668, Jordan.
Oh shit, yeah, I missed it. It's at 70.
I like 664 if it can come down there. Let me know if it comes down there. I'm gonna go watch Euro odd and I'll watch Euro NZD.
What was the Euro odd call?
I like it at if it can come up to push up to 536.
Sell?
It might be after the half hour it pushes up there.
And what were the other ones?
Jordan called out
Odd USD at 668.
and Euro NZD at 724.
Call.
Euro NZD is pushing back up. I think it's going to push up there right on the half hour, and we're going to see a massive drop. 720, it just hit. 721. Oh, shit.
Odd USD is down there.
I did not mean to get in at 716, but I accidentally did. Whoops. Don't do what I did. 724 or higher.
I got in at odd USD. It's at 668 right now.
Euro odds pushing up as well.
GCAD is at that 115 call. I would still take it anywhere above 115 currently. This did just push into the next zone.
This candle just opened. Euro NZD's dropping.
Yeah, I took GCAD up at 125. I don't know if I would take it. It did just break into this next zone. I'm not sure if it's going to push for this 140 line or not. I did like this coming up, rejecting down on the half hour, but this candle did open up green.
Odd USD is just not moving right now, but if it does go below my entry, I probably will roll this. But I got a little bit of time still.
Should be at, yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Euro NZD's dumping. Let's go. Profits on both of them right now. Thank my broker's being goofy. How's Euro NZD at? I can't even see.
687.
What are we getting at?
224, I think.
Oh,
I didn't get
yeah,
in.
I can't. I don't know. My broker's being goofy. We should be in profits on both of them. Let's go.
I cleared my odd USD.
Cleared. Sweet.
Devon, did you just call out Euro NZD?
I called out Euro NZD a while ago. I'm in on a trade on it. I got in at. I accidentally entered early. I called it at 724. I accidentally entered at 6 or 716. So
I'm assuming you guys. I'm just marking up our spreadsheet.
on 3 trades, all in profit. Let's go, Andy. Right on. I'll snag Euro odd if it comes up to that point as well. I don't know if it did. Not. Looks like I am about to clear odd USD. Cleared Euro NZD, it looks like. Cleared. Everybody should have cleared both of them. I cleared both of mine.
Five and one. Let's go.
As of right now, I am 5 and 1. I took 4 and 1. I took 1 earlier. USD CAD. All right. Well, what is everybody so far? Three and 1, 2-0, 4-1. Sweet.
You may have to roll that, Andy, if you pop out of profits here. It's not moving down quite as fast as I'd like, but I think it will move down quite a bit here. It's up at a large resistance point, and then it just jumps back up as soon as I say something about it. If you're not already in on this GCAD, I would not get back in on it.
Yes, I love Euro odd at 536 still for a sell. 488. I want 536. It potentially could run up to like 580 area, but I think 536 will be good.
GCAD's doing a little bit of broker here. Oh no, I guess it is going up. Broker shows it much higher than that, though.
On your odd. Get up there so I can sell you.
I'm probably going to take an L here on GCAD. It did push up into that next zone pretty good. We should see some rejection here, but I would not do a second roll on it.
Just missed Euro USD. Oh, do you like Euro USD at 542 for sell?
Just give me 1 second here. $5.42.
542.
I do not.
536. Euro odd. Type in the chat. Sell. 536.
No, Andy, we already did the Euro on CD1. I believe.
So I just want to show you guys something. Learn the fib right here. This is a classic example. We just missed Euro USD. Had I seen this, I would have called it out before it left. This is just the fib. Literally that 61.8 mark goes down. Like if it's in a downtrend, which as of right now, Euro USD is in a downtrend. Price is moving down. Drop a fib on the. This is on the 15. But if you go to the 5, even still works. 542 came up, touched it, and dropped.
Do you like a buy on UJ now that it broke that 777 line? If it comes back down to that 777 line,
Which one?
or you think
UJ?
it'll bust right through it?
I need to study UJ a little bit more, I think, because I get burnt on a lot of them where I'm going off support and resistance. So I think as of right now, I'm gonna stay away from it. But I do see what you're looking at.
Hey Jordan, just type in the chat again when you want to be unmuted and put back on.
Where's he at? He's always dipping.
I think he had someone talking to him.
Oh. This is the USD CAD trade I took earlier today. And a funnel basically. It's in an uptrend. My trend and this fib tool match up great, and as you can see, there's a line of support right here too. Came a little bit out of profits. I had to roll it over once. I think I rolled this over twice because I entered on this candle here. Entered this candle, hung out down there for quite a while. So I rolled it over twice and then it flew away.
Yeah, now GCAD is going down. If I would have taken a second roll, I'd have been fine on it. It's always the worst.
Euro odds still working up. Still like it at that 536 line for a sell. 500. You guys want to do me a favor just for the Snapchat? So don't make me look stupid. Drop some sevens in the chat if you're kicking ass. See it. Drop some sevens in there. Let's go. See it. Drop some sevens in there. Let's go into Mr. Bloomstrand.
There you go.
Your odds coming down. Maybe it'll continue up after this candle. I want to find one more trade. I'll take a 5-1 on the night. One more trade. Jordy, I'd rather sell odd USD, I think.
I think he's good now if you want to unmute him.
Actually,
No.
let me see what this looks like on the fib. Oh, God, yeah, I like that. I'll take that. Jordan, I'm going to unmute you. I'm going to let you talk. How much you want? I'm still not unmuted.
Yeah, his girlfriend was blending a smoothie.
I like
Needs a
odd
smoothie,
USD at 645.
Yeah, all right, I'll explain what I love about that as well. So if we zoom out here, odd USD, clearly since the 11th, the 12th is in an uptrend. Maybe draw a little trend line here. Then we got a nice little uptrend here. And if you take the fib here, a little bit longer term trend or fib than I normally use, and draw this out. 645, it's beautiful. That 61.8 line hits my trend line and matches up on the fib. Some double confirmation. I think we may have missed it.
Yeah,
I love that.
I think we missed it.
Could potentially come back down and retest. We got a new 15-minute opening up in about 2 minutes. You see my Euro odds doing. I've been waiting on that one. Gee, moms. What about GBP odd at like 158? What do you think about that? I think that's beautiful. I'll take GBP odd for a buy at 158 if it comes down there. Thanks, Dan. GBP AUD buy 158. He's got a ways to work.
Do you like GJ for a buy at like 020?
I think it's going to work down further. You see my screen?
Yeah, I saw your fib.
Yeah, that fib just don't lie. It lied to me the other night, though, when we didn't do that well. Definitely lied to me that night. Without it.
I got 6 or 967 on GJ.
See that line of or wait for what?
For buy if it came all the way down there. Otherwise, I got.
Dude, I'd totally take 84, 984.
Yeah, 86.
All right, there's got to be one setup annoying me. UJ's at your mark. Like I said, I get burnt on that one a lot.
Yeah, UJ's at that 777. Think it'll break through it? There's got to be at least some resistance on it, right?
Here, I'll tell you what. If it matches my fib tool, I'll do it. All right, I got an entry. 776 for a buy. USD JPY, 776 for a buy. 779. 778. I'll take 776 right there. Boom. My last trade. Only taking this because the fib doesn't lie. So if it lies to me, I'm not going to be happy.
I think that's where I got it rejecting on the first time. He's got something to say though. I can tell it's important. He's smiling.
Hey, my bad, boys. Hey, everybody in this call, just know that you are in the right place, baby. Let's go. Ooh, hey, one's in the chat right now if you want a 10 for 10 tonight. Let's go. Give me those ones.
Love that telegram, guys. Let's see it.
Let's go. Everybody drop how you're doing tonight in the telegram. We've been going crazy lately, and we're just getting started. Let's go, baby. I'm going to put myself back on mute, but I think I did good tonight. Look at this chat just blowing up, baby. Let's go.
Let's go. About to clear you, Jay. Easy.
If you made it to the end of the video and you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps out the channel a lot and it would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to join the team, there will be a link down in the description below.